第8课一个 8 lesson 说天气 telling the weather。小明爸爸，中国的天气跟菲律宾一样吗？ Magkatulad o same ba ang weather ng China and Philippines? Papa, 不一样 they're not the same. 中国一年有4季 there are 4 seasons sa China in 1 year. 春天 spring, 夏天 summer, 秋天 fall, autumn, 和冬天 winter. 夏天最热 pinakamainit sa summer, 冬天最冷 pinakamalamig sa winter. Gusto ng Xiaoming, 冬天下雪吧 hindi nagsusnow pag winter, sabi ni Papa. 中国北方冬天最冷, so sa north ng China, winter pinakamalamig. 雪下得很大, malaking amount ang bumabagsak na hulog na snow. Xiaoming, 多有意思吧 very interesting, very nakakahumaling, very interesting, very meaningful. Philippine 为什么不下雪呢? Bakit hindi nagsusnow sa Philippines? Papa, 因为 Philippine 没有冬天啊, kasi walang winter sa Philippines. Philippine Putan 没有冬天, hindi lamang na walang winter sa Philippines, 而且 bagkus 也没有春天和秋天, wala rin siyang spring, wala din siyang fall or autumn. Philippine 只有雨季和旱季. The Philippines only has the wet and the dry season. 雨季有台风, may bagyo, may monsoon. Kapag wet season, 常常下雨, palaging umuulan. 旱季很少下雨. During dry season, malimit o very small lang konti lang ang pag-ulan. So sabi ni Xiaoming, 因为很少下雨, dahil malimit o bihira lang umulan, 所以天气很热. Therefore, the weather is very hot. Sabi Papa, 对, yes, correct. 特别是4、5月, ang 特别 special mention sina 4 and 5, 4 and 5 month, April, May. 因为4、5月天气最热, because April, May's weather is pinaka-hot, 所以学校放假. Therefore, so vacation ang mga schools.